My dear students, I am your computer teacher. Did you remember me? I am your computer teacher, Nirahankari, from Appa Public School, CBSE. So today which topic I will be dealing? I will be dealing with the fourth chapter. Which is that? That is Introduction to KTurtle. Okay, my dear students, let us start with the chapter. First, let us see what do you mean by KTurtle. Okay, my dear students. What is actually a KTurtle? It is a type of software. As we have discussed, a software is nothing but it is a set of program. A program is a set of instruction and types of software are application software and system software. But KTurtle is a type of open source software. I think so you will be getting confused. Like, what is this? Let me tell what is actually a open source software. A open source software is a software that can be downloaded from internet. Let us see how we can use KTurtle. How it is called as a open source software. Here is the process how to start a KTurtle. Just go to the Google Chrome. There you have to type rollapp.com. As soon as you will click rollapp.com, that is rollapp.com, just press enter key. After that, you will be getting this page. There you have to create a email ID and password. Before I will be having this sign up, I will be having a username and a password. So what I will be doing? Just I will click on the login. Just see here, my dear students, where the cursor is. The cursor pointer is like hand. There you have to just press login if you are having already a username and a password. If you are not having your username and a password, there you have to click sign up. Okay. As I am having a username and a password, first I will click on login. As soon as I will click on login, here it will ask or with Rollapp account. Here I am having a username and a password, like I will be entering my own username and password. Even you can make use of this. That is apsclass3@gmail.com. Make sure you have to create your username and a password. After entering username and a password, just click on login. As soon as you click on login, if you are having a own computer, you can click on save. Otherwise, if you are working in other desktop computers, just click never. It will be asking to remembering its own username and a password. Here, as soon as you enter a username and a password, you will be having KTurtle coding programming. Just click on recently used, that is KTurtle. As soon as you will click on the KTurtle, here you will be getting proceed to KTurtle. Just click on that. After that, you will be having one more editor. Just click on launch KTurtle with limited capabilities. Just click on this. Here launch KTurtle with limited capabilities. Just click on this, my dear students. As soon as you will click on launch KTurtle, you will be getting a KTurtle is starting up. This is the KTurtle editor. This is the KTurtle editor. What you have to do, my dear students, here? As soon as you will click username and a password, you will be getting a KTurtle editor. A KTurtle editor, it consists of a title bar. This is the address bar. This will be your one more bar. Which is this bar called as? This is called as the menu bar. This consists of file, edit, canvas, run, tools, setting, and then help. These are the menu present on the menu bar. After that, you will be having new, open, save, save as, run, pause, abort, console, and then execute. Here in title bar again, you will be having a Windows control button like minimize, maximize, and close button. This is the editor of KTurtle. As I have discussed, like KTurtle is an open source software that allows us to draw figures, type of text, and perform simple calculations. The instructions to perform these tasks must be given in correct sequence and format to get the desired output. Just to concentrate on the KTurtle, like KTurtle is a open source software. It is a type of open source software. What do you mean by open source software? Why I am stressing this word? Because in types of software, we have discussed only two types of software. But now I am telling like it is a open source software. Open source software is a type of software that can be easily downloaded from the internet. Just now I told you the steps how to open a KTurtle. You have to create your own username and a password. After that, just log in. You will be getting this editor of KTurtle. Okay, my dear students, this is nothing but how to start a KTurtle. Next, we will be dealing with the KTurtle window. What do you mean by KTurtle window? In operating system, we have discussed like there are two types of windows. Which are those? There are actually many types of windows, but here we will be having the KTurtle window. A KTurtle window, it consists of the editor pan. Look here, my dear students. This is the editor pan. Which is this? This is the editor pan. This is the editor pan, and this is the canvas. This is the inspector pan. This is the menu bar, and this is the toolbar. Okay. First, let us see what do you mean by editor pan. Editor pan is a simple editor. It is present in the extreme left of the KTurtle window. It is the area where we type the commands. What do you mean by command? Just to go back, in mathematics you will be having a set of formulas. Those formulas in computer terminology, we will be calling it as a command. In editor pan, we will be using certain commands. We will be using the set of commands. These commands are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on up to countless. We can use these editor pan numbers. But by default, we can use only number 1. Number 1 will be present default. Default is nothing but already planned or pre-built. That is called as predefined. By default, number 1 appears in the editor followed by the cursor. Can you just see here the cursor is blinking, my dear students? How many editor numbers I have told here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. If I want only 2, what I will be doing? Just back steps, that use the key like backspace. I'll just click one more time backspace. Again you will go back to 3. If I press one more time, it will go back to the number 2. Okay. This is nothing but using editor pan numbers. By default, you will be having only number 1 with the followed cursor, that is blinking. Next, we will be going to the canvas. Just to see the cursor where I am pointing it, my dear students. This is the green color turtle. This is present on the canvas. What is the main use of this? We will be moving this cursor forward, backward, left, right. But you should have a command how to move this. In further classes, I will be telling how to move this KTurtle to upward, backward, left and then right. Where this turtle is present, my dear students? It is present on the cursor. With the help of cursor, just to see, the cursor is moving very minutely in the decreasing order. Just to see, my dear students, just it will be going in the decreased and the increased one. How can I do this? I'll be making use of mouse. Mouse is a type of input device and it is also a pointing device. On mouse you will be having 2 clicks, that is left click and then right click. Apart from that, you will be having a scroller. With the help of scroller, I'll be moving this turtle in the increasing and decreasing. If I'll move the cursor in the front direction, just to see it here, my dear students, this is becoming decreased. As soon as I'll click upward, again it comes back to its original position. Okay. The next, this is the inspector pan. What is actually an inspector pan? Inspector pan is present extreme to the right of the KTurtle and it gives us the information about the commands being executed. Okay. Where I'll be writing the commands, I'll be writing in the editor pan and with the help of these commands, the turtle will be in the upward direction, downward direction, left as well as right. But apart from that, the inspector pan also plays a very vital role just to execute the information about the turtle. Okay. The next bar is menu bar. How many menu bars are there? There are totally 7 menus. Which are those, my dear students? Just to see here, file, edit, canvas, run, tools, settings and help. In the further classes, let us see which bar will be used in which situation. How many bars are there? 7. There are file, edit, canvas, run, tools, settings and help. The next one is toolbar. A toolbar is present below the menu bar, that is 4th bar. Which are those? New, open, save, save as, run, pause, abort, console and last will be execute. Totally how many are there? 9. New, open, save, save as, run, pause, abort, console and then execute. What is the main purpose of new? Creating a new document. We can create a new document in the new toolbar. Second one is open. How can we open a file? If we are created before a document, then only we can open it. Before creating, what we have to do, my dear students? In the notepad chapter we have learned like how to create a notepad file, how to save as, how to open. Only if we have created a document or the KTurtle program, then only we are having an option to open an existing document. Next, save. Saving is nothing but we can save the document KTurtle program by entering the command in the editor pan. With the help of editor pan, writing the commands, the turtle will be doing its specified options. Next, save as. What is the main purpose of save as? If I want to change from one file to another file, it will make a copy of that. For that, we can make use of save as. Next is run. If I am writing the run executes the program in several types. There are totally how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. There are totally pop downs, 6 are there, but what they have preferred there, full speed, no highlighting and inspector is there. That means defaultly that will be created. Next, full speed, it will be going in the expressway. Okay, my dear students. Next, slow. What is the meaning of slow? It will go very slowly. When compared to the full speed, if you will compare the slow with the full speed, what actually happens? It goes in a slow. Next, slower. Again, slower is nothing but little slow. And slowest, full slow. Step by step. Here step by step is nothing but it will be executed in the next command. We must click the run button again and again. Apart from this, there is a dot mark, that is a dark black colored round dot. What it will be executing? It shows the position of the run, whether it is in the full speed, slow or slower or slowest, or the last one is step by step. Okay, my dear students, but by default it will be in the full speed. Okay, next, pause. By clicking on the pause, it stops the execution of the program temporarily. What is the meaning of temporary? Again, we can make use of that. Okay, clicking on run, again it starts the execution again. Whatever the program or the commands we have entered in the editor pan, if I'll click on the pause, this is temporarily stops. After that, we can run it just by clicking on the run toolbar. The next one is abort, but here the abort and the pause are not activated. As soon as I'll just click on, I'll take the cursor to that toolbar, it will show abort, abort. What is the main purpose of that? Here the execution will be stopped. By clicking on the abort, stop the execution of the program permanently. You are getting the difference between the pause and the abort, my dear students? Pause is nothing but temporarily it will stop. Again, if I'll click on run, the stopped execution program, again it will start. That is the main purpose of pause. But what is the main purpose of abort? It will stop permanently. The execution of the program, it will stop permanently. That is nothing but abort. Are you understanding what is the difference between the pause and the abort? Pause, temporary, and abort, execution of program will be permanently stops. And next to that, there is a console. What is the main purpose of console? As soon as I'll click this cursor, I'll take this cursor near the console. What actually comes here, my dear students? Write a command here and press enter. Here only keep in mind, in console you can execute only one line command. After that you have to click on execute option. There is one more toolbar. There is execute. Execute, what it will execute? Whatever the command I will be writing in the console toolbar, that will be executed only when I will click on the execute button. Okay, my dear students, this is all about the console and execute. Where does it occur? There are totally 9 toolbars. Which are those? New, open, save, save as, run, pause, abort, console, and then execute. These are the toolbars present on the toolbar on the KTurtle editor. Apart from this, you are having the status bar. Just see here, my dear students, where I am placing this cursor. The status bar is present at the bottom of the screen. It contains the information about the KTurtle editor, and it also specifies the language. What is the meaning of this? There are totally many languages, but which we are preferring is English. These languages will already be pre-built, that is in which line we are, in which column we are, that all can be seen in the status bar. But defaultly, which language it will be taking? It will be taking only the English type languages. Okay, my dear student, the command in KTurtle can be translated in different languages. Okay. One can learn programming language in its own native language using the KTurtle. This is one feature of KTurtle, preferring the user to learn in their specified preferred language. But as this is the CBSE school, we will be preferring to learn this language in English. This all can be seen from the status bar. Next, what we will be doing, my dear student? Moving the KTurtle. This is the turtle which is present at the center. This I will be changing this. How to move the KTurtle? This can be moved forward, move backward. We can turn it left. We can turn it right. We can jump to the particular position. Okay, let us see one by one how I can change this turtle to forward, backward, left, and then right. First is forward command. What is the main use of forward command, my dear students? What is the main use of forward? Forward command is used to move the turtle in the forward direction, which is the direction of its head. Now, see the turtle's head where it is pointing. It is forward. It is pointing to the upward direction. Just see the turtle's head where it is presented. It is just directed in the upward direction. When I will press, that is forward command, what actually happens, my dear students? The command should be written in the editor pan. See here, I will be writing the turtle's forward command like forward 100. After this, one more important point. Just to run it, what I will do? Just I will press on the F5 function key button which is present on the keyboard. I'll just press it, my dear students. See it. Did you notice it? The turtle has moved 100 forward. You can use forward 100, or once again, see my dear students, I'll just reset it by pressing the word RESET. Again I will run it. Did you notice it? Again the turtle has come back to its original position, which is that at the center of the canvas. Again what I will do? Just I will write the shortcut key of forward, that is FW100. Again what I will do? Just I will press the word F5. See here my dear students, it have went back again to the 100 position. So you can make use of forward command like FW or FORWARD, forward. Let us try with the other options like forward 100. Did you notice it? Okay, again what I will do? Just I will reset the canvas to its original position. It have come back to its original position, that is center. Again what I will do? Just I will write again FW50. Again I will press F5. Did you notice it? Again it went back to the 50th position. Just to try it. It is very interesting. Again what I will do? Again I will reset it. Again I will write forward, that is FW150. Just press. Again it go back to the 150th position. It will go forward. As we are using the forward command, that is FW, so it will go forward direction. Again I will try with 190. That is again reset it. Again it will come back to its original position. Just to write FW190. Then press F5 key. Again it will go to the forward direction. Here by writing 50, just to see the increasing level of the K turtle. The turtle moves in the forward direction as we are making use of forward command. After that what I will do? Just I will press on the reset button to come back to its original position. The next command is backward command. Backward command, what is the main use of this? The turtle will come back to its original position by setting the keyword or the command like reset. And again, if I will make use of BW or backward, BACKWARD, backward command, it will take the turtle to the back direction with its down. Okay, when the cursor is when the turtle is at the center position, if I want the turtle to come back, it will go in the opposite direction. It will not turn its head backward, but rather it will follow in the same direction. As the head of the turtle will be always directs upward, only the position will be changed, but its head will not change. Keep that in your mind, my dear students. By changing the head also, one more command is there that will be discussed later. But see what is the forward command and backward command. Backward command, again what I will do? Just I will press the command like reset. Again it will go back to its original position. Here it is very interesting. So just to download it, or otherwise as I have told you earlier, like just create your own email ID and then password. Just to follow the video and then try it. It is very interesting. Let us start with the next, that is example. We'll write with the backward command BW25. Again I'll press 25. Again F5 button. It will slightly come back. Again what I will do? BW. Again what I have to do? Reset it. Again F5. It comes back to its original position. BW70. What it will do? F5. Again it will come back. Again if I want this turtle to the other position, like which direction? 130. 130. Again run it. Again it will go back. Again in this particular editor, if you are unable to see the turtle, what you have to do? you have to make use of scroller which is present on the mouse. Just go in the decreasing order. Look here, my dear student. This canvas, to decrease the canvas editor, what I will be doing? I will be making use of scroller in the front direction. Again, what I will do? I will change the cursor position like 150. Again, I will run it. Again, it will go back. Just see the head of the turtle. What I will do? Again, I will try with BW 175. Again, F5. Just see here, the KTurtle is not at all visible. Again, we have to make use of this scroller button. You can see the turtle here, which is in the green color. Okay. Again, what I will do? I will reset it. By resetting, again it will come back to its original position. This is all about the backward command. The next button is, the command is turn right. Okay. What is the main purpose of turn right? The turtle turn back to the right side. What I have to do here? Again, right, turn right, T-U-R-N-R-I-G-H-T. Turn right, which one? 60. If I'll press F5, just look it. It will turn the turtle to its right side. Just to concentrate here, my dear students. Okay. Turn right is nothing but one more shortcut key, TR, which is that TR. Otherwise, you can write TURNRIGHT. These both are the commands which can be turn the turtle to its right direction. Okay, that is turn right 60. Just to try with the other things, numbers, turn right 180. What it will do? Again, it will go in the opposite direction. Again, which one I will be using? Again, 300. Again, just click it. Okay, my dear student, did you see it? Now you can change the position of the turtle with the facing upward. If I am telling the turtle to go left position or in the exact opposite direction, what I will be doing? That is TR 300. Just to see it, it has changed the position of the KTurtle head. Okay, this is all about the turn right. Next, which is that? The next command is turn left command. Turn left command is used to change the turtle to its left side. The command used here is TURNLEFT, turn left, with the option called as TL. Okay, here you can make use of TL as a shortcut key, that is TL. First, before using this, what we have to do? We have to reset the turtle. What happens by reset? It will come back to its original position. Before this, what we have to do? Again, TL. What we are using? 90. Here, again I will run it. Exactly it comes to the 90 degrees. Okay, exactly left it had come. It has placed the turtle to the left side. After that, again what I have to do? Again reset. Again try with the different angles like TL 50. Again 50. After that, again I will change it to 115. Just to see it. The turtle is changing. Again with the 300. Again I will go with the 300. We have to place the space bar after TL. Otherwise this error will be conveyed. So what we have to do? TL, first reset it and then write the command like TL 300. Then run. Again it go back to its original position. What we have to do? Then press reset. Okay. After that, we have seen how to create a KTurtle editor with the help of the username and the password. After that, you will be having certain menu bar, toolbars. You will be having certain panels like inspector pan and then editor pan. In between these two, you will be having the canvas editor. Always remember, the editor pan will be located at the left side of the KTurtle editor, and the inspector pan will always be in the right side of the KTurtle editor. And at the center, which pan will be there? The canvas editor will be there. So, till now we have learned like how to create the username and the password with the KTurtle editor, how to log in. After that, we have seen how to forward the KTurtle, backward, turn left and then turn right. We will be making use all the command only in the single program. Let us see. Okay. Before that, what we have to do? We have to reset the turtle to its original position, and then if you are following the textbook, just go to the page number 46 and 47. There you are having certain commands or lines. Those all lines you have to type in the editor pan. Just go through that. Okay, my dear students. Right? FW is nothing but forward 50. After that, turn right 90. After that, forward FW 150. After that, turn right 90. After that, FW. After that, FW, what is that? 50. After that, enter TR 90. After that, FW forward 150. After that, TR 90. After this, what actually happens, my dear students? Just to concentrate on the turtle, I will press the enter or the F5 button. Did you notice it? The turtle has created the rectangular shape. It has moved forward 50. It has turned right to its 90. Again 150. Again turn right 90. Again forward 50. Turn right 90. Forward 150. And then TR 90. It comes back to its original position by creating the rectangle shape. It has went forward and then turn right. It has continuously used all these commands. Okay. After this, what we have to do is, there are totally, what actually happens, my dear students, when we are entering the correct command, only then what we can do, the specified position of the turtle will be changing. If, for example, if I write the command wrong, like FW 90 or 20 or 28, see what actually happens. Before this, what we have to do? Again, you have to reset it to come the cursor or the turtle to its original position, and TR, that is turn right. I will not be leaving the space. If I write 25, see just what happens, my dear students. Did you notice it? There is an error. In this canvas, there is an error. What it is known as? An unknown function named TR25 was called with the code 0. Which is that code? In the 0 position. An unknown function. If that command is not built in this editor, this type of errors will be occurring in the editor of KTurtle. So what we have to do? Again, we have to click on the canvas alter or the alert box, and then we have to make use of space button, space, backspace or the front button like TR25. Again, run it with the help of F5 button or the F5 function key. Did you notice it? Just it has changed. The turtle has been changed slightly to the 25th direction. Okay. Did you notice the hide errors which is located in the page number 47? Just go through it, my dear students. After this, if I want to save the Canvas document, what I have to do? Just go to the menu of File menu, which is present in the menu bar, File menu. There you have to click on the Save. As soon as you click on the Save button, the save document will be in your drive, in your Google Drive. Why? Because as it is a open source software which will be saved in your drive. Okay, this is how to save a program. After that, how to save a drawing. If I want to save this drawing, there is one more option. There you have to go to the menu bar of Canvas. Just see here, my dear students, just go to the Canvas and then you have to click on the Canvas button. As soon as you go to the Canvas, here you will be saving the drawing. Again, export a drawing and export a image and print the canvas. The next one is printing a drawing. If I want this canvas to be printed, what I will be doing? This canvas or drawing, there are two different keywords or the terminology used in the computer. So, by this what we will be having? The Canvas KTurtle will be printed. Okay, this is all about the commands which are present in the KTurtle editor. Okay, my dear student, if I want to take a printout of this, what I will be doing? Just click on the printer canvas. For this, what is essential? To your desktop computer, output device called as printer should be connected. Then only you can take a printout. So, by this I will be concluding the fourth chapter, that is Introduction to KTurtle. Once I will just summarize this, what is actually a KTurtle. In this you have studied like KTurtle is a open source software. Open source software is nothing but you can download or you will be having an option like logging in with the username and a password. Just click on the KTurtle. Again you will be getting a KTurtle editor and you will be having set of menus, a set of toolbars with a set of pan, that is editor pan, inspector pan and the canvas. With the help of editor pan, you will be having certain commands with the, but in today's class we have studied only few commands like forward command, backward, turn right, turn left and then preset. And how to save a file, how to save as the drawing and the canvas and taking the printouts. I hope you have understood the concept of KTurtle. This is very interesting, my dear student. You can just practice it. As you will practice, you will be getting more knowledge. And in further 5th chapter, I will be going with the more on KTurtle programs. Okay, there you will be having still more commands. But till that, what you have to do? You have to just practice certain commands which I have taught in this session. Okay, take care, my dear students. Just work with this, practice it. You will be perfect enough. If you are having any doubt, just repeat the video and then you can just see it. Okay, thank you, my dear students.